Hi everyone. So today I am live on Insta for the first time. This is my first live and I am truly very excited to come live in front of all of you, and I want to share something. So today I want to talk about why we don't take any action. Why do we delay action? So why do we delay action? There are three major reasons why we delay action. First reason is we try to do everything in a very perfect way. So when we try to take a very perfect action, we fear of imperfection. We think that if I don't do it in a perfect way, my task is not completed. We don't get the feeling of completion from a task when we don't do it in a perfect way. So the learning from this is we need to take very small imperfect actions every single day with the highest priority. We cannot stop taking action. We need to take small actions, very small steps every single day. Be it perfect, be it imperfect, it doesn't matter at all. But consistency and doing it every day with highest priority, that is what matters. So this is the number one reason why we don't take actions. Second reason is when we think about an action, we don't see an instant result. If we don't get instant result, our brain doesn't want to take that action. For example, you want to write a book, or you want to get up early every day, or you want to do exercise every single day, but you don't see any instant action, instant result getting created out of it. Like if you exercise today, you don't see that there is an instant result from that. Maybe after 30 days or maybe after 21 days you start getting small results, but that doesn't motivate you until and unless you see small results every single day. So what you need to do in this case is you need to reward yourself every single day with a small something. For example, you can if you love tea, if you love drinking tea, so you can say that if I do exercise today morning, then I will get a cup of tea, or else I don't get it. So it works in pain and pleasure. So you need to understand what drives you. Is it pain? If pain drives you, you need to tell yourself, if I don't take action today, if I don't exercise today, I don't get my cup of tea. If pleasure drives you, you need to tell yourself, if I do exercise today, then I get my cup of tea today, which is a reward for yourself. So you need to drive yourself based on this pain and pleasure points and give yourself the reward, or take the reward from yourself, snatch the reward from yourself, so that you get motivated to take that action. For example, if you get into a bad habit, for example, eating a big piece of chocolate every single day, which is not good for your health, you know that. But what happens is you get instant result, instant gratification. That is called instant gratification. You get a pleasure feeling as soon as you eat that piece of chocolate. So that is why bad habits attract us so easily, because we get instant results. And the good habits, all the good habits, take time to show the result. So you yourself have to motivate yourself by giving a small reward or taking away the reward, depending on whether pain or pleasure drives you every single day to take the action. Okay, so this is the second reason why we don't take action. Third reason of not taking action is the fear of judgment. Yes, you heard me right. So what is a fear of judgment? We fear that the others who are seeing us taking the action, taking the step, the bold step to take the action, will be judging us. Yes, at Izzard, it takes us 30 days to make something that we do daily in our life or habit. Yeah, that is right. So you can start with a 7 day. So your brain starts getting used to it. It sees that what you tell your brain and you do it. So it sees that. And then you can take it to 15 days and 21 days. Then you can do it to say go till 42 days or 66 days to complete the cycle. and then slowly 90 days. When you do something for continuously for 90 days, it becomes a habit. Then you don't have to put a lot of effort, or you don't have to motivate yourself every single day to do that. So that kind of effort, it will not be required when you do it 90 days. Okay, so coming back to what I was saying is fear of judgment. We don't take action because we fear that the society, the people around us will be judging us. But that is not always true. And even if they judge you, you need to ask yourself one single question. That is one question. That is, so what? Even if they judge you, so what? Just ask this. Take any judgment, anything you were fearful of, any judgment. When you take action, say you go for a walk every day, you think that you need to get ready, you need to grab very nice shoes, and then only you should go out. Otherwise, people will judge you that this person doesn't have a very great shoe to walk or to jog or to run. Even if they are judging you, just tell yourself at that moment, okay, that person is judging me. So what? How does it affect you? Does it change anything in your life if a random single person is judging you? No, right? So you need to come out of that fear of judgment to take any action. Okay, so these are the 3 reasons I wanted to share today. It's a very small life. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you will take action today. Very small step of action you need to take every single day. You cannot stop taking the action. You need to give the highest priority to that action. For example, if you want to start exercising, get up and exercise. Even if it is for 1 minute, do it and see how your brain reacts to it. When you give an instruction to your brain and it does it and it sees you doing it, then your brain gets convinced that yes, this person does what he says, or this person does what she says. So next time when you do it, your brain gets more accustomed to it. But if your brain doesn't see you doing what you say, then it will not listen to you next time. So it becomes more difficult when you say something to your brain to do. So you do exercise today for at least 1 minute. Tomorrow you do it for 2 minutes. Next day you do it for 3 minutes. And then see the changes, the small changes. Observe the small changes. Only one thing is needed from you, is giving it the highest priority. No matter what happens, you will exercise today for 1 minute, tomorrow for 2 minutes, day after tomorrow for 3 minutes, and so on and so forth. So you will not stop until you reach 30 minutes. And on the 30th day, you yourself will be able to see what is the difference. And another thing, as I told you, you need to give yourself small reward every single day. When you take action, you give yourself reward. Okay, if I do exercise for 1 minute today, I get 1 cup of tea today. If I exercise for 2 minutes tomorrow, I get to sleep 2 minutes more tomorrow. So in that way, you need to build a habit of routine and the ritual which you are performing, and a reward. 3R: routine, ritual, and reward. You need to remember this 3R and take action. Okay, friends, thank you so much for joining with me and listening to me what I had to say. Have a great day ahead. I'll be posting more posts and I'll be coming live more often from now on. Thank you so much. Bye.